Hey guys, TheRealImaginary here, and we're back with some more Mad Father, because I am really excited and I want to play, because, well, I do what I do and you just have to deal with it. But, before we start, I have to show you something. My new microphone. Isn't he beautiful? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm gonna get all kinds of crazy in this audio with things, so. Alright, we're gonna put him back. I'm so excited. I can't explain. But. Oops, you can see my mouse, can't you? That's awkward. Alright, let's play. Here we go. Is this where that monster is? Because I think I have to light it on fire. Ooh, scariness. I don't know what she said. I'm too anxious. Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't reading it. She said something about the flame egg and that she could burn it, but how? Yes, we're gonna use the oil and lighter. Ooh, she threw the oil on it. Now throw that lighter, girl. Throw that lighter. Throw it. That's rather morbid. Oh my gosh! That's awful! It burns! It burns! That's awful! It hurts! Help me! No! That's awful! I would fucking run away too if I just lit that thing on fire and it started screaming that it hurt. That's awful. That's just terrible. Jeez. Oh, I have gems. Look at all them gems. What about that memo thing? Did I lose it? That said, like, barrels. Oh shit, not here. Is that thing still burning? Or is it done? Oh, it's all gone. Let's go. Father? Father, are you okay? What? Maria? Mistress, you're wounded. But I will be fine. Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. It is dangerous here. Where's father? I heard him scream from my room. I must save the doctor. She fell down. Oof! That noise. You can't go with that wound. But... Maria, what happened to father? The doctor is further in. His wife, she... His wife? My mom? I'm totally messing up these voices. I keep, like, switching them. What do you mean, Maria? Maria! My, it seems she's passed out. Nah, it's Catman. You again. At any rate, it sounds like your father has gone in ahead. Deeper into the underground maze. Underground maze? What did Maria see? Mom passed away, right? What's going on here? Don't tell me the curse. You'll only be able to confirm your suspicions by pressing on, won't you? Asshole. Can I move yet? What a weird guy. Okay. Can I take anything? A big sack. Ha! Blood soaks through the sack. Awesome. What's in this barrel? Filled with blood! Oh! That's nice. That's awesome. A pile of sturdy wood crates. It stinks. Ugh. Filled with unknown things. Filled with unknown things. I'm gonna do a quick save. Boom. Look, what's this? I don't like it down here. Just walk over broken shit, girl. Ah! Don't like it. Gross. Strange tools for experiments. Something fell. Bottle with two eyeballs fell out. So we got a bottle of eyeballs. Awesome. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Strange tools. Stop. Bottles contain unknown things. Quit giggling. We got a wooden bucket. What is this? Stop. Lined with all sorts of strangeness. I just feel like I should check everything. Alright, we're good. Out. Back to the laboratory. We got the bucket. And a thing of eyeballs. She's still passed out. Okay. Onward. Onward. Father. I know she's gonna say it. Ah! Look at me calling shit. Ooh. Mother? Mother! I know it's gonna come. Mom? That was close. Is that you? Wait! She just snatched Dad. No way. Was that really Mom? There's no way I mistook her. That was Mom. Why was even Mom? It must be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? Where were you hiding? This tragedy was brought about by the power of a woman's curse. The malice of your father. The malice for your father. That malice turned into a curse, seeking out your father's revenge. Your father's death. Could that woman be... So you realize. So you do realize. Yes, your mother. That can't be. Why do you think that? Because Mom loved Father. Mom even understood Father's work. And Father loved Mom in return. Wasn't Mom happy? I couldn't believe she has a grudge against Father. But maybe Mom didn't like Father and Maria. Duh. I don't want it to be true, but... So you'll go find the truth? I wanted that gem! Can I go back? I want it. She just ran away. Excuse me. I'm walking here. Thank you. Creepy, but almost beautiful. We're gonna leave. Alright, let's go. Keep on rolling, rolling, rolling. This is just not okay. So, we're just gonna keep going. Is that a head? Where is the body? That's awkward. You don't have a body, and I do. Sorry. Blood. Filled with junk. Filled with junk. Stack of wood crates. A big barrel. A big barrel. Ooh, a ladder. Is that the sound of the ladder? I don't like that. Dirty pot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get lost. Unlock the door. Good girl. Ooh. Awesome. Awesome. Let's go back. No wonder she didn't know what it was. Father had it all cut off. Now we go down. Hey! 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 What were you looking at? Where'd you go? I don't like this. No. Hey, there's a crow. Big barrel. Hey, I need this. Thank you. Excuse me. Is anybody here? I know I saw you. Where am I supposed to go? Oh my goodness. I have to go the whole way back around to where that ladder is. Is that what I have to do? Or we're gonna take the secret passage. Alright, let's go. It's this way. We're doing good. We're doing so good. So good. It's ridiculous how good we're doing. To the attic, to the attic. She just finds a piece of the ladder laying around. I bet I can move that pot. Knew it. Alright, where should I put it? Stop it. Fuck. I bet I have to break it. But if I push it off and break it, we'll be good. What is that noise? I don't like it. Knew it. Is this a mini chainsaw? What the heck? Ooh, special key to equip. What is a special key? Shh. So I can do C and then Z to use it. And then we can destroy barrels and shit. Shit, I don't know what she said. Remember Father scolded me once for playing with this. I didn't read the beginning because I was playing with the geese. Oopsies! That looks ridiculous. Hey, what are you doing swinging that thing around? Sorry. This is no toy. This is a very dangerous tool. Understood? Never play with anything like this again. Sorry, Father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this, Aya? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Father. Crazy little girl. Silly. Come on. Thank you. Wait. Wait. Now that I can destroy things. Oh, excuse me. Yes. Yes, this is awesome. Finally. This is what I've been waiting for. Really? I can't destroy you? Okay. How about this? Alright, we're gonna put that away. Does shift work too? Ah, shift does too. Okay, so it was an either or type deal. Understand. Got it. Locked in my mind. Understand fully. I want to cut more things. Is there anything in her room? Snowball! Can you come with me again? Asshole. Bye, Teddy. Aw, man, I can't cut the teddy bear. Whoops. Fine. That's not fair. Can I save, Mr. Bird? Thank you. Ow. Really? Why the fuck did you fall down? It felt like something grabbed my leg. Oh, I was gonna say, there's nothing. Oh, God. Oh, God. No! Oh, God. That's terrifying. I'm going to get you out of the way. Son of a bitch. I hate it when it makes me do this. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing D. Run away, little girl. Whatever the fuck that was. It wanted you good. Really wanted you good. Yeah, that was fun. Is there more things to cut? Because I want to cut more things. Ooh, there's another gem. Huh? There's something here. A pendant! Wait, we don't know what this is yet, do we? No. Alright. We got the pendant! Nope. Alright, what are we supposed to do with the pendant? I don't know what we're supposed to do next. Ah, I bet it has to do with that. You know what? Hey, fucker, look, I'm here! Haha! I bet we now have to cut open those barrels down here. Because that's what it told me, remember? No. Oh my gosh. Why can't I get my chainsaw out? Do I not have my chainsaw anymore? Where is my chainsaw? Oh, where is my chainsaw? Don't tell me I, like, lost it already. Let's go back. I don't like this. Because it said, like... Get away from me. Barrels in here. And I can't get it out. I don't fucking know. Wait a minute. I know where I need to go. Silly Beth. Silly, silly Beth. Just jump, girl. It's not that far. Jeez. I have to cut these barrels. Where are you? It's an OCD thing I have. I have to cut them all. Ta-da! What is this? What is this? Is that just a... Okay, it's nothing. Oh, there's more. Excuse me? Alright. That's terrifying. I just feel better with big drum. Nope. Oh, I can go through here. Fancy that. I thought they were walls. Who is that? Put this away. Save, damn it. Hello? It's locked from the inside. Unlock it, dumb bitch. I can't see. Can't see anything. That man took away my eyes. Looking for eyes? Maybe. I have some eyes here. Are these yours? Oh. I don't think she can hear. Can I get this to that girl somehow? Let's see what we got down. Spilled wine bottles. It's a shame. Unlock the door. Oh, we're in the storehouse. This is where we took a, put Snowball into. There's a body there, but I can't get to him. What is this? Torn up meth. I can't get through. Alright, good enough. This is where, we were with Snowball. Don't worry, I'll get your eyes in a minute, girl. What's this? Won't open. Of course it won't fucking open. How am I supposed to get... The door is firmly shut. How am I supposed to give this chick her eyes? Locked from the inside? No fuck. I already know that. Yes, you can't see. You can't see. He took your eyes. I'm sorry. Wooden bucket. Nope. Oh, X is inventory too. Fancy that. Alright, I don't know what to do. I'm at a loss. see what anything in these. Looks very rusty. Taller than Aya. Big drum. Pile of sandbags. Why can't I cut these? That's very upsetting to me. Let's go back to Father's. I don't like that thing there. It freaks me out. Can I cut these? Oh, for fuck's sake. Ah! Come on, body. Come to head. Come on, body. Come get head. Come to head. Look at me. Look at me. Aw, that's cute. Found it. There you go. You better not chase me because I helped you. Thanks, Mrs. Ugh. I didn't like that. No problem. Done. Found you, your body. I don't know how I missed that the first time through. Ooh. Made a weird noise. Alright, can I cut some shit in here? Cut your shit, Dad. I'm gonna cut your shit up. I'm gonna cut up your girl. Cut up your girl, Dad. Oh, damn, I can't cut him up. Well, I don't know what to do. I have no idea. No clue. I don't know how to get that girl her eyes. This is a predicament. I don't know how to give her her eyes. Stop it. I didn't press anything. It just did this on its own. Just throw them to her or something. Bet that lever unlocks a door. But guess I didn't check these out. Pile of wine. Casks? Aren't they kegs? I don't know what's going on. Oh, yawning. Preserved food. Well. Oh my goodness, stop it. Maybe Snowball. Hey, the dog's gone. Stop. It's been completely devoured. Cupboard is a mess. Cupboard's still a mess. Oh, hello. Thank you. It'd be awesome if I got them all. I don't know how many I even have now. Why isn't this open? There we go. Oh. Because I have to open it through it. I see. Ah! That scared me. Forgot about them. Let's go get Snowball a different way. For God's sake, open the fucking thing. Let's, I'll skip through this real quick and we'll go get Snowball. Okay, so Snowball won't come with us. So I'm out of ideas. Really out of ideas now. A small bird's corpse is inside. That's awesome. A rat corpse is inside. Awesome. Let's just go to bed. Wait, I never checked this. Okay. Thank God there's nothing there, because I'd have been pissed if there was something in there and I never actually checked it. But I'm gonna end this episode here anyways, because we're getting to our mark. So, I hope you're enjoying. I enjoy Mad Father a lot. I've been wanting to play for a very, very long time, as I stated in like the first 2 episodes. But yeah, I'm TheRealImaginary. Like and favorite if you enjoyed. Subscribe and become one of my imaginary friends. And I will see you in the next episode of whatever I happen to post. Because honestly, I have no idea. I need to do more of my 100 Baby Challenge. I'm going to record some more Mad Father. I found Ebe. I know I called it Ib because that's what I thought it was until I realized it's Ebe. Like E-E-B, which is weird. But I found it. I found a safe download. I downloaded it. I'm going to start playing it once I am done with Mad Father because, to be honest, I'll pick one over the other. So I need to just finish one first. So, with that said, like, favorite, subscribe. I've already said this, but I'm saying it again so you remember. And I'll see you next time. So here's my heart.